So a little bit more information on nutrients. Okay, definition of nutrients. It's a suite of chemicals typically identified as nutrients that is required for phytoplankton production in the ocean. Okay, so you can look at what do you need for phytoplankton to happen. Okay? And the key largest concentrations that you need is nitrogen, phosphorus, silicon, and nitrogen is the most limiting in the open ocean. You also need micronutrients. Iron is an important part. If there's no iron, you don't have a significant phytoplankton. And this feature is called nutrient limitation. So you need sufficient levels of both macro and micronutrients to sustain photosynthesis in the ocean. Okay. Other elements such as carbon, that where you have large enough concentrations, are not called nutrients. Nutrients are only the ones that can be limiting. Okay, this is what we call nutrients. And there's one famous example of nutrient limitations, and these are the regions of high nitrate and low chlorophyll concentrations in the ocean. And here are two maps. Okay, two maps, world maps of sea surface nitrate concentrations, sea surface at the sea surface. You look at the colors here. And purple means very, very low, essentially zero. And red means here in the Southern Ocean, means very high concentrations. And on the right-hand side is a chlorophyll base estimate of the net productivity, primary productivity. It's again how much organic carbon is produced per square meter and time unit. Okay, you can see in the Southern Ocean very, very low. The dark means very, very low values. And the idea is, it's called the iron hypothesis, is there is not enough iron in the ocean. And then you might ask, where does the iron come from? Well, the main source of iron comes from deserts and sediments, sand, minerals blown from the deserts and ending up in the ocean. And the Southern Ocean is very, very far away from desert influences, from atmospheric influences reaching the Southern Ocean. All right?